Have you ever thought about where your water comes from? With the Aqua Tower, you can produce clean, drinkable water right at home. This step-by-step guide will show you how to construct your own water generation system. The Aqua Tower is inspired by innovative military technology. It extracts moisture from the air, providing an effective solution for areas with limited water access. This system uses a condensation process to cool humid air, resulting in purified water. It's sustainable, mimicking nature's water cycle. Imagine a reliable water source, perfect for emergencies or off-grid living. The Aqua Tower produces up to 60 gallons of clean water daily. Don't just take our word for it, real users are excited. John from Texas remarked how the simple instructions helped him set up his system easily. Emily from Florida praises the Aqua Tower for providing fresh water during hurricane season. Mark from Colorado feels empowered and self-sufficient, enjoying fresh water without the cost of bottled options. So, what exactly is the Aqua Tower? It's a state-of-the-art hydration system designed to provide pure, mineral-enriched water. Unlike regular filters, the Aqua Tower cleans and enhances water quality. It's perfect for busy families or health-conscious individuals, blending style with practicality. Built with sustainability in mind, the Aqua Tower promotes the use of refillable bottles. It's about more than hydration, it's a conscious choice for health and environmental well-being. Now, how does the Aqua Tower work? It features a multi-stage filtration system that purifies water and reintroduces vital minerals. The process starts with activated carbon filtering out impurities, followed by reverse osmosis for a comprehensive clean. The Aqua Tower then enhances this purified water with essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. Behind this groundbreaking solution is Richard Wilson and a team of experts committed to tackling water challenges. With the Aqua Tower, you're getting a high-performance system designed for modern lifestyles. Using the Aqua Tower is simple. Start by unpacking and positioning it near a water source. Connect it to the tap using the included adapter. Then, turn on the water and activate the filtration. The smart monitoring system will alert you when filters need replacing. Maintenance is minimal, making your hydration experience as effortless as possible. Top benefits of Aqua Tower. First, you gain independence from municipal systems and expensive bottled water. With Aqua Tower, you save money and get reliable access to clean water anytime. It's also crucial for emergency preparedness. Imagine peace of mind knowing you have a reliable water source during a crisis. Plus, it's eco-friendly, reducing plastic waste significantly. Health-wise, the Aqua Tower boosts hydration with enriched mineral water, supporting overall wellness for your family. It's portable, making it perfect for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. And if you live in drought-prone areas, you can finally enjoy a steady water supply. Ready to take control of your water? You won't be alone, as our expert team will support you throughout the process, ensuring you maximize your Aqua Tower's performance. Click the link and invest in your clean water solution. Enjoy hydration independence, health benefits, and contribute to a sustainable future with Aqua Tower. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Transform your water experience today.